If you're a professional installer looking for a tool to keep your duct ends in shape, the DRT-316 is an absolute must-have. Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're excited to introduce the DRT-316, Jonard's brand new duct reforming tool. This essential tool is engineered specifically to reshape and reform duct ends quickly and effectively. Whether you're working with fiber optic microducts or standard ducts, the DRT-316 has you covered. The DRT-316 features a rugged and ergonomic design, making it durable yet comfortable for extended use. And its compact form factor allows you to bring it to tight job site areas without hassle. Using the duct reforming tool is as simple as it gets. Just insert the damaged or misshaped duct end, and a few rotations, you'll have it reformed and ready to go. This tool works with ducts ranging from 3.5 up to 16 millimeters, covering a wide range of duct sizes. If you're a professional installer looking for a tool to keep your duct ends in shape, protect fiber integrity, ensure easy cable installation, and prevent signal loss, the DRT-316 is an absolute must-have. Like all Jonard tools, it's built with precision and durability in mind. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.